Hi, we're going to be folding our sheet of puff pastry to make Prussiane today. So what we've got here is a sheet of puff pastry about 30 centimeters in width, and we're going to be folding it 3 times to make a single sausage that is going to be sliced next to make the Prussiane. So what we have to do that is to imagine that your sheet of pastry is divided into 6 segments, and the first step consists of folding the outermost segments towards the center of your sheet. We are going to be repeating this again, so folding again the 2 outermost segments towards the center so that they meet exactly in the center, like so. And now, as a last step, we're going to be folding this in 2 so that the 2 halves join together as if in a book. Perfect. Our Prussiane are shaped now. This is going to get chilled, and then all that is left to do is to slice them and bake them.